Every clean starts with time. Multiple locations, rotating teams, tight schedules. Time tracking doesn't have to be messy. Fareclock brings order to cleaning operations. Workers clock in on their phones right where the job happens. See who's working, where they are, and when they started instantly. Accurate time data means faster payroll and fewer disputes. From small crews to large contracts, Fareclock grows with your cleaning business. Fareclock, the smarter way to manage time in cleaning companies.